Hello everyone, my name is Igo from 9C, student number 12. And today, this is my papaya wine from this project. And today, I will be telling you guys about how to make this delicious papaya wine. Without further ado, let's do it! To make this wine, we need 4.5 kilograms of papaya, cutting board, a knife, an airtight container with airlock, a funnel, a colander, and also a few bottles. We also need 2 container. We also need a big spoon, a half tablespoon of yeast, 2 tea bags of tea, a cup of hot water, an electronic scale, and a bowl, 400 grams of sugars, 2 liters of water. Each 1 liter have a different temperature. A half of lemon, and that's it. First, wash the fruits with water. Second, peel off the papaya skin using a knife. Then cut the papaya into smaller pieces and scrape all of the seeds using a knife. And then cut the papaya into more smaller pieces and get ready to make the papaya shape like dice by using a knife. After that, put all of the papaya into the container. Next, we're about to scale the papaya weight using electronic scale. Next, prepare the bowl into the scale and put the sugars, about 400 grams, into the bowl. After that, toss all the papaya to the airtight container. Next, pour the sugar into the papaya. After that, put 1 liter of cold water and then pour 1 liter of hot water, and the water will be total of 2 liters, and then stir it all. And this is the result. After that, squeeze a half of lemon using a spoon. And then prepare the tea bag of the tea. And then prepare the 1 gram of yeast and pour the yeast using the spoon. Now we can close the lid of the container. After a few moments later, you can see that there is bubbles from the airlock, which indicated the fermentation is begun. Next, we can leave the airtight container in a dark spot for 10 days. After 10 days of fermentation, we can start to strain the juices from the papaya. And this is me opening the lid of the airtight container. And this is the fruit condition after 10 days of fermentation. Next, this is the process of me straining the juices, and I'm using the spoon to make the straining process better. And I've prepared a big container to store all of the liquids from the strainer. And we also need to squeeze the papaya to get the juice. And this is how the container looks with a 10 days fermentation wine inside. Now I will be putting the wine into the container again. Before closing the lid, I will be cleaning the lid using soap. After that, I will be filling the airlock with water. Now we can close the lid with airlock filled with water. And now I will be turning on the faucet of the container to get the result of 10 days fermentation wine. To be able to know the amount of alcohol inside the wine, we can use alcohol meter, and the amount of alcohol that this wine have is about 4 to 5% of alcohol. To make this wine, we need to have a great fruit from the papaya, and it's recommended to have papaya that have a lot of sugar in it because the sugar will helps the fermentation a lot better and makes the papaya more tastier than ever. Better to have a clean tool to make this wine because the clean tool will make the helping of the fermentation a lot better, and also the fermentation will be more clean and more hygiene. And that's it guys for today's video. I will hope you have a great day, and cheers for the wine.